The US government has set a goal to achieve zero emissions and mitigate global warming by 2030 or 2050. This requires a significant reduction in the country's deficit, which currently stands at $38 trillion, with a cost per taxpayer of $94,000. One solution could be the implementation of constant electric device systems to provide electricity for homes, commercial buildings, and vehicles. Additionally, cost reductions can be realized in all plants for nuclear, gas, coal, and turbine, as well as in government vehicles, buildings, and military expenses. This report outlines the benefits of this innovation in terms of reducing the deficit, the manufacture planning needed, and the potential cost savings. Deficit reduction. To generate significant revenue for the government, a total of 2 billion innovative constant electric device systems needs to be manufactured. These devices will provide advantages of up to $30,000 per person, which can be applied to property taxes, child care, Social Security, Medicare, and other benefits. If each of these devices costs an average of $35,000, the total sales generated would be $70 trillion. To finance this project, the government can provide a loan of $50 billion to 5,000 manufacturers who will pay it back over time. The government will also generate revenue from income tax benefits of up to 30%, which amounts to $21 trillion. Therefore, the government will potentially reduce the deficit by $17 trillion from the $38 trillion deficit. Manufacture planning. Manufacturing 2 billion innovative constant electric device systems requires a 5-year manufacturing planning process. The cost of each device is approximately $35,000, and the devices will be used to power homes, commercial buildings, and vehicles. The innovation system provides an average of 20 kilowatts to 100 kilowatts of energy, making it more powerful than a solar system that costs approximately $35,000, providing only 3 kilowatts of energy. Cost reductions and security. By implementing these devices, the government will save the costs of nuclear, gas, coal, and turbine plants, which are typically used to generate electricity. The government will also save on military costs and threats to national security, as the implementation of these devices will reduce the country's dependence on foreign manufacturers. This will help in supporting critical missions led by the military. Impact on economy and the environment. In terms of the economy, the development and implementation of these systems will create job opportunities, stimulate economic growth, and reduce energy costs for individuals and businesses. Moreover, by reducing the country's dependence on foreign oil, these systems will provide economic and geopolitical benefits. In terms of the environment, the implementation of these systems will contribute to reducing carbon emissions and mitigating the impacts of climate change, leading to reduced global warming and promoting environmental sustainability. In conclusion, implementing these systems will help the government tackle the massive deficit, generate revenue, create jobs, save costs, and boost economy, making it possible to achieve its goal of zero emissions and combat global warming by 2030 to 2050.